Bruno Jeudi est avec nous en duplex depuis Paris.
Bruno Jeudi, the editor of the Journal du Dimanche, joins us now from Paris. First question, to what extent is this case humiliating for France and in particular French politics?
Et la politique française en général.
Yes, it's without doubt humiliating for the Socialist Party, the IMF, and also for France. Just 72 hours ago, Dominique Strauss-Kahn was one of the most important people in world politics. Now he's in prison. The American media has not treated DSK lightly. Many of them already consider him guilty, but he still enjoys the presumption of innocence.
Coupable alors qu'il bénéficie encore de la présomption d'innocence.
It's true, it's quite shocking for us. The French are quite attached to the presumption of innocence and have a totally different system at the judicial level. The American system moves very quickly with a process that provides for spectacular scenes like we've just witnessed over the past few days. The accused is shown in handcuffs. Even TV cameras are allowed inside the court, which of course in France is totally prohibited. 11 years ago, a law was passed by the socialist Elizabeth Guigou which banned photographers from showing people in handcuffs. And it's true that it's a custom that can shock the French. We also see that in the United States, whether you are a powerful politician or a hotel chambermaid, you get treated in the same fashion. It's worth asking if this would have been the same case in France. I'm not sure myself.
On peut se demander si en France ça aurait été le cas dans le même contexte, c'est pas certain.
I'd like to make a comparison between the media industries in the two countries. Some American newspapers have criticised their French counterparts for being too complacent on this matter. What do you think as the editor of Journal du Dimanche? I think that some journalists were shocked themselves by what happened and found it impossible to believe that DSK could have done something like that a few months away from the presidential election. The fact of the matter is that we went from DSK being arrested to being charged to then being put in handcuffs and then being locked up. The evidence against him appears very serious, according to the American police. Now we have to wait for DSK's version. Certain parts of the press handled the affair in a very responsible way. In fact, almost too responsible. Some will say they did it in a way that protected Dominique Strauss-Kahn. Many thanks, Bruno Jeudi, the editor of the Journal du Dimanche in Paris. Thank you for your time.